Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of transformations for polynomial functions. So as per the problem, describe the transformations that must be applied to each power function and write the full equation of the transform function. So let's start with part A. The given power function is f at x equals x cubed. The transformations for f at x are given as y equals negative 0.5 f at x minus 4. Since the given function is a cubic power function, we should start by writing the general equation of a transform cubic power function, and that is different teachers use different letters for a, b, h, and k, but the resulting transformations are the same. If we compare this general equation with the transformation given for f at x, we can see that a is equal to negative 0.5. A value is the coefficient of the function. For a equals negative 0.5, the transformations are reflection over the x-axis, and there is a vertical compression by a factor of 0.5 or 1 over 2 because 0.5 is between 0 and 1. Next we can write the b value. B value is the number being multiplied to x in the function. As per the given transformation, the coefficient in front of the parentheses in the function is an invisible 1. So there's a 1 here, but we don't show 1 as a coefficient. So b is equal to 1. For b equals 1, there is no transformation. The next value is h, and h is the number being added to x or subtracted from x. H is equal to positive 4. There is a negative sign in the given transformation, so that's why H is a positive value. H results in horizontal translation, so there is a horizontal translation 4 units to the right side because H is positive. K value represents the number being added to or subtracted from the function. In the given transformation, there is no number being added to the function and no number is being subtracted from the function. Therefore, k is equal to 0. So there is no transformation due to this k value. So these are the descriptions of the transformations. Now we can write the full equation of the transformed function. B is equal to 1, so we can ignore it. H is equal to 4. K is equal to 0, so we can ignore it. So this should be the final answer for the transformed function for part A. Now we can answer part B. In part B, the given power function is f at x equals x to the power 4. The transformed function is y equals negative f at 4x plus 1. So the first step is to list the values of a, b, h and k. As per the given transformation, a is equal to negative 1. As a result, there is a reflection over the x-axis. B is equal to 4, the coefficient of x in the parentheses. There is a horizontal compression by a factor of 1 over 4. H is equal to 0. There is no number being added to x or subtracted from x in the parentheses. There is no transformation due to this h value. K is equal to 1. That's the number being added to the function f. K results in vertical translation. So in this case, there is vertical translation 1 unit up. So these are the transformations for part B. Now we can write the transformed function equation. A value is negative 1. We can ignore the 1 and just write the negative sign. B value is 4. H is equal to 0, so we can ignore it. And K is equal to positive 1. So this should be the equation of the transform function. Now we can answer part C. In part C, the given power function is f at x equals x cubed, and the transformed f at x function is 2 times f brackets 1 over 3 parentheses x minus 5 parentheses close the brackets minus 2. So let's start by listing the a, b, h and k values. A is equal to positive 2, the coefficient at the front of the function. Due to this value, there is a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. B is equal to 1 over 3, the number outside the parentheses but inside the function f. There is a horizontal stretch by a factor of 3. H is the number in the parentheses with x. Since there is a negative sign in the parentheses in the transformed f function, h value is positive 5. There is a horizontal translation 5 units to the right. K is equal to negative 2, the number being subtracted from the f function. As a result, there is a vertical translation 2 units down. So these are the transformations in part C. Now we can write the transformed function for part C. We start with the A value, then the B value. Since there is an H value, we have to use the parentheses. And we write the K value at the end. So this is the transformed function for part C. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.